Of rainfall that has moved to the east. A few lingering sprinkles here, but as I mentioned earlier, as this first boundary moves east, so will the steadier rain. That's been the case from Georgia up through the Carolinas. But notice still a few sprinkles back to the west, and that is going to be what we'll see through the night tonight. So take a look from now through early tomorrow morning, maybe a passing sprinkle here or there. Just if you want to keep an umbrella handy in the morning, that's fine. My bigger thing is grab a jacket because we're going to see some colder air start to move in as we go through the day. And kind of this last gasp of colder air moving into our area will squeeze out a few sprinkles or showers first part of the day. So we'll start about 56 at 6 a.m. to 54 at 8. That's not the drop, though, in temperatures. That will come a little bit later, probably close to lunchtime in the Knoxville area. Low clouds, still a little bit of patchy fog as we're seeing here from Gatlinburg Sky Park. If you take a look, there is some reduced visibility near Gatlinburg, a little thicker up towards the Kentucky, Virginia, and Tennessee border, but it'll be spotty because the wind will stay up enough to kind of mix the atmosphere, but just keep that in mind as well as you head out the door. But let's talk about the cloud cover. It won't last long tomorrow. This is 7 a.m. You see a little bit of that moisture trying to get squeezed out as the drier air comes in. We'll actually see sunshine through the afternoon, but it'll be breezy and turning colder across the area. We're sitting at 62 right now. It's going to be close to what our official high will be for the day because take a look. This is just past midnight at 61. Temperatures will drop into the low 50s, let's say by 7 a.m. The second number here, by the way, that's a wind chill. When it's at 50 degrees or higher, you don't have an official wind chill. But take a look as we go later in the afternoon and evening. We're seeing those temperatures drop into the 40s on the plateau with wind chills in the 30s. That's lunchtime. As we head towards that evening commute, if you're off work tomorrow, we're talking 30s with wind chills below freezing. We'll see 40s here in the valley with upper 30s. Those temperatures continue to tumble by Thursday morning on Thanksgiving. We're talking upper 20s to right around 32 degrees for most areas, so near the freezing mark. But it's going to be sunny and it's going to be dry. That'll be the case through the afternoon Thursday as well. Just not a huge warm up, low to mid 40s for most areas. So we'll start again near freezing, sunshine near 40 at noon, and mid 40s by the time we get into the afternoon. The coldest morning looks to be as we head into early Friday. So those shoppers heading out, it's cold. Teens and 20s in the morning, highs upper 30s and low 40s. That will be a chilly day. If you're going to be heading to the Vols game, no issues. It's going to be dry, but it'll be chilly. High clouds are actually going to stream into the area. That kind of makes it feel a little cooler than it actually is. And we'll see some rain chances return for Sunday. A damp and chilly day with temperatures in the upper 40s and another round of rain by Tuesday, Bo.